How to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error. First open your browser and then once you're here click these 3 points and then go to history, and that's it. Then once you're here just click clear browsing data, and here select cookies and select browsing data, and here clear data, and that's it. You can select all time if you want, or for weeks or something like that, and then just click clear data, and then that's it. Your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.